When people hear astral plane, they imagine floating through galaxies, seeing angels, maybe meeting their spirit guides. Let me break it to you. The astral plane isn't a place. It's a process. It's not where you go to escape reality. It's where you go to build it. Today, we're stripping away the fantasy. The astral plane is your mind, externalized. And learning to navigate it isn't about spiritual travel. It's about practical magic. Hi, I'm Paul, and this is Tarot Logic, an analytical approach to intuitive reading. What the astral plane actually is. Aleister Crowley said, "The astral plane is the symbolic world created by the operation of the senses." What does that mean? The astral plane is a mental construct, a level of consciousness where thoughts, symbols, and subconscious data project outward like a movie. When you enter the astral, you're not leaving your body. You're stepping into your own mind, but you're treating it as external. That's not escapism. That's serious psychological work. It's structured imagination with intention and feedback. The astral plane as a training ground. The astral is where practitioners develop real skills: visualization, symbolic thinking, emotional control, directed attention. Think of the astral like a lucid dream that you can enter at will, not for fun, but for development. Every ritual, every sigil, every thought form you encounter on the astral is feedback from your own mind. It shows you what images your will creates, and what hidden content is sabotaging that will. Why does the astral plane feel real? When you're in the astral, it feels vivid, not because you're traveling somewhere else, but because your mind processes symbolic input the same way it processes sensory input. In other words, the image of a lion on the astral feels as real as the sound of a voice in your ear, because to your brain, they're using the same neural circuits. The astral is full immersion training for your will and imagination. How to enter the astral practically. Still the body through asana, postures. Still the breath through pranayama, the control of the prana or the breath. Focus the mind on a symbol, dharana, meditation, concentration. Then project yourself into the image. When your awareness steps into the symbol, whether a temple, a sigil, or a tarot card, you are in the astral. And from there, observe what changes. Interact with what appears. Record everything afterward. Your task isn't to control the astral. It's to observe your unconscious content as it builds the astral around you. What you'll encounter. Expect archetypes from your own psyche, shadow material, emotional patterns personified as landscapes, creatures, or voices. What people call entities on the astral. They're usually unresolved aspects of yourself, wearing whatever mask your mind assigns to them. Your job isn't to fight or worship them. It's to understand their role in your psychic ecosystem. Why do practitioners use the astral? The astral isn't a theme park. It's a laboratory. You learn to construct images, sustain focus, build willpower, transform internal patterns using symbolic interaction. When you can change your own astral landscape at will, you're rewiring your deeper mind. That's how magic actually works. The astral plane is not a cosmic escape room. It's your own mind projected outward as a training environment. Master the astral, and you master the symbolic language your unconscious uses to create your life. Neglect it, and your life remains shaped by symbols you never choose. If this redefined the astral plane for you, subscribe to Tarot Logic for more clear, structured guidance. And leave a comment below. What symbol or image do you most often encounter in your own inner work? Until next time, read with clarity, visualize with discipline, and always read with logic.